Rosemary and Cloves water have been helping ladies, men in general to grow out their hair, and I'll be showing you in this video how to prepare it. So first off, you boil your water to 100 degrees Celsius. You put your herbs in a transparent bowl, preferably, so that you can see when the infusion has occurred. So I'm using both rosemary leaves and cloves. Then I'll pour in my boiled water. Ensure your water boils to 100 degrees Celsius so that you can get as much nutrients as you can from this mixture. Rosemary and cloves will help to fight dandruff, itchy scalp. If you know that's what you are dealing with, try to infuse this in your routine. It will help your hair to become thicker, your hair will appear denser in nature. It will also help to promote healthy hair growth. You realize that new strands are sprouting when you use this mixture as much as you can. One thing is, when you're preparing this, ensure that you cover this for 24 hours after pouring in your boiled water. After 24 hours, you strain it and put it in a spray bottle. Another use for this is that it helps your hair to reduce shedding. So you notice that your hair sheds less and your hair breaks less. And the less your hair breaks, the more visible length you see. Your length retention game will be top notch. And this process is going to help your hair over time. If you're consistent with it, if you do it and you try as much as possible to renew the water, ensure that you don't use the mixture you've done for like more than 1 month. Try as much as possible to do new batches as you go on, and the best way to preserve it is in the fridge. The fridge will help to prevent any form of spoilage, any form of mucus growth or whatnot. And also this has antimicrobial properties. It will help your scalp in general. So as you can see from this clip, this is the dried cloves. I want to show you after infusion how the cloves look like, to show that it has actually washed off its nutrients as much as possible. You can see that the infused cloves is lighter in color and it is more swollen. That's when you know that your mixture is ready for straining and also storing in a spray bottle. This has really helped my hair over time. I realized that my hair was less dense. My hair was, not as long as I would want it to be. So I started infusing it in my routine and the difference is clear. I noticed that my hair was longer. My hair was, looking more thicker than it used to be. And, all thanks to rosemary and cloves water. I've been using it for years and it has made a consistent change. So try as much as possible to infuse it. It has been going on for years now and you just need to hop on the train. If you try it out and you notice that it is having like an adverse effect on your scalp or your hair, stop with immediate effect. But if not, continue. And you can use it 3 to 4 times weekly. And don't forget to moisturize, because cloves have drying effect, so that you don't end up breaking your hair strands. Moisturize using a leave-in conditioner or any other conditioner or product that is moisturizing in nature. So this is me transferring it into the spray bottle for easy dispensation. This will help me to apply it directly on my scalp with no form of issue. Moving on to more benefits of rosemary and cloves. It adds natural shine to your hair. You notice that your hair is looking shinier in nature, and it also helps for better absorption of other products. So after you apply this, you can actually apply other products like your oil, your leave-in conditioner, and you notice that it will absorb properly. You can, use this product if you know that you want to see tremendous change in your hair. Your hair is, looking a certain way and you want that to change. Infuse this. It has been working for so many people. That is why it is trending. It is not just trending for the wrong reason, but actually for the right reason. So like I said, anytime you want to store it, always put it in your fridge and you can just use it from there. It has this cooling effect. Once you use it straight out of the fridge, it has this cooling effect on your scalp, and that will actually encourage you to use it more often than usual, as opposed to keeping it at room temperature and risking it from spoilage or whatnot. So this is me applying it directly on my scalp, and as you can see, I'm focusing on the root of my hair because that's where growth starts from. And I'll just massage this in and go in with other products. I'll see you in my next. Ensure you subscribe for more videos like this. Bye. You can bank on it. You can put 100